You got the cool costume, the badass.
Yeah, the cholo.
Yeah, the
Outfit.
cholo costume. Gotta sag the pants now. Wow. That's Nina's strings. Y'all counter hit launch.
Oh, it's sick.
Nice counter hit by Zach. Missed the throw. Got 35 damage. Uh-oh. My god, you... That was actual punish. Oh wow. What the fuck? I see what you mean.
Fuck.
Yes, fuck. Yeah. Thanks for letting me kill you right there. I actually didn't think that was like... I didn't think you would do it, so I was actually shocked. Wow. What? That's it. What the fuck?
What?
I have no words. I have no words. Get your fucking ass over here. What the fuck, dude? I'm stuck in blue on my screen.
What? You're blue?
Yeah, I saved the video. No! No! That was so close! No! Fucking bitch! I can't believe it. You wonder what I was trying to do? I was trying to wave dash into Lee's low, but he just didn't care.
Fuck.
Bitch. I don't fucking do this. Oh no! No! He was trying to spam the fucking recharge. Oh my god. Oh my. You see what I mean? Midas slide gets a combo.
Yeah, I see.
Why does she have a slide? Why would you orbital when you're so close to the wall? My god. I'm Andrew.
Oh no.
I got this. Oh my god, I had to bust that shit. I haven't done that in a long time.
Wow.
I haven't done flips in a long time.
That was sick.
I had to do. Thank you. I had to do something stupid. Fuck, that's such a fast move.
Yeah, it's +6.
Thank you. I guess I can't punish it then. Thank you.
Yeah, it's not punishable. Nice.
I don't fucking think so.
Oh my god.
This music's sick.
Damn. No.
What the fuck? Okay, the attack 2 moveset? Well.
What?
Wow. Did he convert that?
Yes, he did.
It's Mortal Kombat. Everything converts. Tell you. Mortal Kombat players.
Yeah. Fuck. Oh. What'd you do?
Check this shit out.
He's never gonna play again. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
You fucking murdered him. That's not the script.
I just want to show him I have it too. Nope.
All right, we gotta get to the play. Oh! Yes.
Go on, Zach. Press the button.